Thank you. I'm thrilled to talk to you. Your insights just have resonated with me from day one. It's incredible what your knowledge and then all of the really great nuances are amazing. My biggest success story was day one when you said remove your glasses. And I realized that for decades, I would wake up in the morning, put my glasses on, go in the bathroom, put my contact lenses in. At night, take my lenses out, put my glasses on, and close my eyes to go to sleep. I had never noticed what my vision really was. And so I would say to anybody, oh, I can see really, really good up close, but after this, I can't see anything. And when you told us to take off our glasses, I went, wait a second, I can see a lot. It's all blurry, but I can see things. I can see colors, I can see depth, I can see things that you had said, that vision is more than an eye chart. And that had never occurred to me. So the mindset of that and the language of that just changed so deeply what I thought was possible. So that was amazing. Since then, I have gone a lot, most of the day without my glasses, except at the computer or if I have to drive. I noticed emotional connection with when I put on my glasses. Sometimes I would feel anxious. And so the moment you said that about the tension, so I would take them off and I had such a calm response, which was amazing. And I noticed that through the exercises, I learned about what was happening with my right eye and just how that was changing a lot of what I was able to do. And so that my right eye has gotten a little stronger. I can tell in the way that I can look out and just see things without kind of jumping around. Thank you so much. That's fascinating.